This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom Market Report and Cash Flow Account Update for the week ending September 20th, 2025. The market finished higher this week. The Dow Jones Industrial Average increased 0.37% on Friday and was up 1.05% for the week. The S&P 500 increased 0.49% on Friday and was up 1.22% for the week. The Nasdaq increased 0.72% on Friday and was up 2.21% for the week. The market finishing higher on Friday was great, but that doesn't matter to me because no matter what the market does, I get cash flow from Bitcoin. And Bitcoin slightly decreased, minus 0.26% for the week, which was kind of blah, but that doesn't matter to me either because I generate cash flow from Bitcoin no matter what Bitcoin does. My goal is to generate at least $500 per week in cash flow or income, which is $2,000 per month from selling options on Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs. I created a watch list I use to help me select which options of Bitcoin stocks and or ETFs that I may want to sell. Looking at my watch list from the week, the strongest performer on the list was ClearSpark Incorporated, ticker symbol CLSK, in the second column. It was up 1.19% on Friday and increased 31.59% for the week. CleanSpark Incorporated is a Bitcoin mining company that independently owns and operates data centers in Georgia, Mississippi, Wyoming, Tennessee, and New York. CleanSpark primarily operates their data centers on low carbon power, which gives them a reputation for being economically and environmentally friendly. CleanSpark's recent price appreciation is contributed to an increase in their Bitcoin mining operations. Last month, they produced 657 Bitcoin. This week, I generated cash flow from selling 10 different option contracts that range from $75.34 to $175.34. I received a total of $1,298.40 for the 10 option contracts. Here are the sales from my account. Sorry, you can't see exactly what I sold. My cash flow goal for 2025 is $30,000. And yes, that is more than $2,000 per month. And that's because I'm sure I will continue to beat my weekly and monthly cash flow goals. Actually, I have already reached my cash flow goal. I surpassed $30,000 in August, more than 4 months ahead of schedule. I'm not going to set a new goal. I'll just keep making cash flow every week. Tune in each week to see how much. With this system, the cash flow money is free and clear. You can take it out of your account and spend it or leave it in to build your cash balance and or invest it. This strategy is guaranteed to produce cash flow immediately and every week that it is applied. However, it does not guarantee the amount of cash flow from week to week, nor the value of your account. The amount varies and the account value varies. For example, this week, the cash flow amount increased from the prior week. This was last week versus this week. And my total account value decreased, minus 0.32%. What's the catch? Knowledge. Specifically, you have to understand option contracts. Once you have a firm understanding of using options with Bitcoin related stocks and ETFs, This system becomes so easy that you will wonder, why isn't everybody doing it? Again, the answer is knowledge. They lack knowledge. But I don't. In the meanwhile, check back next week to see how much cash flow or income I generate. Thank you.